tasks in Microsoft Teams in a private channel or a shared channel? Well, that's not possible, is it? In this video, I will explain a workaround. So please watch the video and like and subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your colleagues. For now, we'll go to Microsoft Teams and I will show you what we have here. As you can see, we have a shared channel here and a private channel, still in preview by the way, but if we click on the plus sign where you used to click on to get tasks in here, you do not see the tasks button, and you still want to be safe that everything is within the same team and is not included from an external team. So to do that, we create a list. Yes, a list. It's something that's already a long time in Microsoft 365. Here we say create a list. We got the option to import from Excel. I will explain that later, but we also got the work progress tracker. We're going to select this one, and I will say use the template. All right, it's fine, the icon, the color, and it's going to be added. Now it still doesn't look like planner, but or tasks. But if we click in the right corner, we can create a new view, and let's say this, and we call this tasks, and a board view, and we can select the column which we want to board by organized. Then we have our task planner, and here we can do a lot of the same things as in planner. It looks a bit different, yes, but we still can assign items to someone and save them. We can drag and drop. We even, if we go to SharePoint, for example, where this list is hosted, let's switch to the tasks view and set the view as current. We even can set a reminder on the start date and the due date by default using Power Automate, but we could also use alerting from SharePoint itself. So this is really nice because it's giving you the full functionality you are used to from tasks. It doesn't integrate with your to-do, that's true. So I'm curious if you are using this, but this is in a shared channel. Let's do it a little different. We have a private channel here, and what I want to do is I created already a tasks within here, the event plan. Let's open this one in SharePoint. Go to a website or to the tasks office. And yeah, we want to use this these items in our shared or private channel. Here we go, export the plan. We have exported the plan, so now we can go back here. We can go to test. What we need to do if we export the plan, I need to open the event plan in this case. Takes a little while. Once it's opened, we need to enable it. We remove this column because we don't need it, and we have to select our items that we want to import. For example, these columns. Now we need to go to insert a table and apply the headers. So now it's a table, and now it's importable as a list. So now we go back to the test. Let's create a new list when it's a bit fast, list, and save. All right. Create a new list from Excel. We upload the event plan. And now you have to be careful because it directly opens the table. And here you see the title, a rule, text. This is a number, but of course this is a date. So we want to change this to date. Let's go a little bit further. I think this is also date. And let's see, let's make it this date and text. All right, let's do that. As you can see, the name is not really nice, so and let's create the list. The list is created, it's imported, and as you can see, we are back again in the items. We need to create a new view, and let's say we want to call it tasks, and we have to create it by board, organized by board. As I didn't make it column yet, so we have to create a column at this moment. But again, you see all info is there, and only you have to do a little extra steps here. But it really works nice, especially because you get your bucket name, your original names of the tasks. So yeah, I'm really curious if you are using this functionality already. If you are going to use it, don't forget to like and subscribe on my video, and yeah, please comment on the video if you are going to use it, and how you are going to use it, and if you even knew of this option. So see you next time in the next video. Thanks for watching.